and they're off. Early lead is taken by Flores by the rail on the outside. Breath of Love, Hail Star moving up in between horses. Is Breath of Love in the lead, followed by Agnes Claire. And by the rail is Flores, Hail Star on the outside. And Love or Money, but it's still the favorite Breath of Love leading the field by 3.5 lengths. Agnes Claire, Hail Star moving up on the inside. Love or Money on the outside, and Flores by the rail. Rounding the far 10, it is still the favorite Breath of Love by 4.5 lengths. Hail Star running in second, and Agnes Claire moving up on the further outside. Love or Money and Flores by the rail. Perfect Choice. Another top stretch, it is still the outstanding favorite Breath of Love leading the field, followed by Hail Star and Agnes Claire. On the farther outside is Love or Money and Flores by the rail. Perfect Choice. And nearing the payoff line is still Breath of Love and Hail Star on the outside. And finally at the payoff line from the stable J.S. Raimundo, it's Breath of Love, Hail Star, Perfect Choice.